What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you guys are new here. So in this video I'm just gonna be doing this makeup look, which is like a little pop of pink. A lot of the times I wear this look if I'm wearing like something that is not pink, like majority of the time. So like if I'm wearing white, like this white shirt, or if I'm wearing like a little baby blue shirt or something, like something that's not white, something that's not pink, I like to just pop this color, this eyeshadow makeup look on, and it's so cute for summer. I just think that it goes well with a lot of things. I just think it gives like a cute, like girly color to it. So yeah. Also, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for helping me get to 500 subscribers. It means so much to me. You guys don't understand. Like, I have been doing this for like 4 years. I haven't done it straight, but I've been doing it on and off, and I kind of got discouraged between halfway through those years to not do it. I just kind of was going through my own issues at home and stuff like that. But once I came back to Connecticut, I just had the motivation from my boyfriend, from my family, to just keep doing YouTube. But yeah, so thank you guys so much. I believe I have like 506 subscribers, so thank you guys for always being there for me, subscribing to me, seeing me at my youngest, and it's just been so much fun. Like, I can't believe it, I finally hit 500, halfway through my goal for the rest of the year. I am trying to hit 1,000 subscribers, so if you are new here, just subscribe down below and click here to see the rest of my videos. And yeah, so let's just get started with this makeup look. Okay, so I just have a clean face on, and what I'm gonna go in with is just the Wet n Wild Rose 3-in-1 primer water, and it's prep, set, and refresh. So it looks like that, and this smells so good and I love it, and it was really inexpensive and it's easy to travel with. I definitely recommend this. And yeah, so I'm just gonna spray that as a primer pretty much, and I'm just gonna let that dry in. Now that that's soaked into my skin, we're just gonna be taking, let's see. Alright, so I'm just taking my Maybelline New York's BB cream, and it has SPF in it. That's why I like to use this for the summertime, even though it's not full coverage, but it's kind of like putting like a tinted moisturizer on your face. That's why I go in with concealer after. But for now, I just like to blend it in with my fingers, just because like the beauty sponge just like soaks it up, and then I go back in and then like fix any complications. So I'm just gonna put that all over my face with my fingers, just cover up any blemishes. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with my damp beauty sponge and just blend that all out. Okay, so I'm just gonna be taking my Maybelline's Fit Me concealer. It is in the shade 20, and I'm just gonna be putting that on my under eyes and on my like little blemishes and on my nose. Okay, so for like kind of like a baking powder, I guess you could say, just to like set my face, I just go in with Maybelline's Fit Me powder foundation. Yeah, pretty much, and it's in the shade Porcelain, and I just put that in all around my face. Okay, so after that, I just go in with bronzer, which is the Too Faced Sweetie Pie bronzer. I think it smells so good, and it's super cute. I love the packaging. It looks like this. It's so cute. I kind of obviously used it. It was cuter before, but and then it just has like the Sweetie Pie thing, and I think it's really, really cute. So usually I just use my blush cream and highlighter creams for the summertime, but for the sake of this video, because I did do the same routine kind of for my everyday look, which will be up here. Pretty much I just wanted to spice it up and just go in with the Smashbox blush kit. Yeah, blush and highlighter palette. Let's see. I'm just gonna go with this shade, just because it's like a pinky tone, but it's not too pink. I'm just gonna gently like put it on my cheekbones. Okay, so that's done. Then I'm just gonna go in with my Anastasia Aurora palette, highlighter palette. Just looks like this. I'm not gonna show you guys, it's kind of broken. It's like really bad. It's because I dropped it and I just haven't bothered to buy a new one. But I'm just gonna go in with the shade Luna. Let's see. Shade Luna. And it's like this pretty like white color. And I'm just gonna go in lightly with my fan brush. So now for eyebrows, I'm just taking the Milani Stay Put Brow color, and I'm just gonna fast forward this because guys probably already seen it in my everyday makeup look, which I did recently. So this has been like my go-to eyebrow pomade, I guess you could say. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so I just finished my eyebrows, so now we're just gonna go into finally eyes. So I'm just taking my chocolate Too Faced palette. Okay, so I'm just going to be taking my Too Faced chocolate bonbon palette, and I'm just going to be taking the shade Cotton Candy and just blending that out with the like as a transitional color. Yeah, I guess that's how you say it. Something like that. Okay, so I am just going to be taking my, the Balm, the Balm Insane Blush, but I use it as eyeshadow. It's like very, very pigmented, and I'm just going to be blending it lightly, like on top of the transitional color. Oh my gosh, tongue-tied. Now we're just gonna go in back with the chocolate. Actually, hold on. Okay, so after I blend that out a little bit, I'm just gonna be going in with my same brush, but just the shade Totally Fetch. It's like this kind of like a deeper hot pink, kind of like a purple color. Just gonna be putting that in like the outer corners, just lightly. Still going in with the Too Faced palette. I'm just gonna be taking the Sprinkles color. I'm just putting that in my eyelids. We're just going to be taking Divinity and just going to be that in the inner corners and on the eyebrow bone. Okay, so I'm just going to be going in with the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Waterproof, and this helps so much with like if you have watery eyes. I always get like watery eyes in the summer slash spring time because of my allergies, and my just like the moisture and the heat from outside creates like this dirt, and it just like makes my eyes like really watery and teary. And not only that, but like when I was going swimming or going to like amusement parks that had water rides in it, like my mascara wasn't running at all, so it lasts really long, and I definitely recommend this. And yes, I'm just gonna be putting this on my eyelashes. Pretty much the last and final thing is lips. Of course, I'm not going to be going out with these lips like that. I'm just going to be taking my Maybelline's, I don't even know, I'm always forgetting, but I just know it's like a matte nude lipsticks, and it's in the shade 555 Naked Coral. And I've always used this since I was like high school. So that is it for this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up as always, and comment down below if you guys have any other suggestions on what to watch, if you guys like my vlogs, because I do vlogs once in a while if like me and Jason do something that's fun and memorable. I also do fashion videos like hauls and like lookbooks and stuff. I haven't done a lookbook in a while, but I do plan on making one. And I also do like makeup videos, of course. But yeah, so comment down below what other suggestions you want to see from me. So yeah, that is pretty much it, and I will see you guys next Wednesday. Bye.